Good afternoon, I'm Richard Hunter with MarineMax here in Baldwin Marina, downtown Cumming. Today I'm going to be showing you our recently traded in 2015 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. As you look forward on the boat, it has the fully integrated swim platform with the optional extended swim platform, all on the same level. One of the very nice things that the 350 gives the captain and his crew is the summer kitchen option, which this boat has. So it has the electric Kenyan grill, which is integrated along with a full wet bar. As we move forward, you'll see that this boat had the optional carpeting installed. We do have the cocoa interior. Because it had the summer kitchen, we have the beverage setup service on the wet bar inside. This boat does have the optional refrigerator and ice maker. As well as the signature Sea Ray Portside Lounger. This allows guests, visitors to talk with the captain, and once the captain's gotten to his destination, we can pivot the dual helm seat around and everyone's involved in the conversation. As you come forward to the dash, you'll see that this boat does have the Ray Marine. Integrated with that is the Precision Touch Axios system, which gives you skyhook, also autopilot capability. For ease of operation, Sea Ray's made it so that both the walk-through windshield latches open with the twist of the top controller. On this particular model, it is a single pad with dual reclining backrests. So both pads can be down, both can be up, or individually operated. You'll notice forward it has a full remote control spotlight and floodlight. When that beautiful Georgia sun gets a little too hot, you can come down and take solace inside the large 350 cabin. Besides the obvious lighting from the side windows, which offer you an unmatched view in this sport cruiser, we do have in the roof multiple ambient light vents that can also be blocked out with the throw pillows. When I say throw, if you happen to be a little bit angry, this is our recessed flat screen TV, full main distribution panel with the slave start for our 5 kW Kohler generator. And moving to the rear, the 350 offers you not only one large sleeping area, but with those removable filler cushions, 2 individual beds, along with a nice settee for relaxing, helping you get dressed in the morning. This concludes our introduction to the 2015 recently traded in Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. This boat does have the twin 8.2 horizons with the joystick Axios control.